gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and today we're going to take a look at this plugin wordfence/wordfence PHP error. If you happen to be getting it on the top of your plugins, here it is here. And you're not going to see your word fence over on the left. So it's happened to all my sites. So the best I can tell to the research that I did is probably WordFence did some type of update, because it did it to all my sites. So that's the only thing that makes sense to me. It's a really easy fix. You'll either need to get into, well, you can do three things, right? You can contact your support. That's probably the easiest thing to do if you really don't know what you're doing. But I'll show you a couple ways. If you happen to FTP, it's really a matter of replacing the file. That's the whole shebang, the whole plugin, I'm trying to say. Sorry, I just woke up. So if you got FTP, and this is, let me see, this is my fan film files. Okay. So I just go into my FTP, and I'll show you both ways. So I just connect my FTP. Go through all this mess. Where the hell is it? There it is right there. Oops. Sometimes I get some strange crap on here from some tricky people like that. I'll go through and clean some of that crap up. I haven't been on this site in a long time, so I'm sure people have put poop on there that shouldn't be on there. Anyways, I'll do that later. So just go into your content, because that's where your plugins are, if you weren't aware. And just poking around here. I don't see anything suspicious there, but I do see on the front page some suspicious things. So go into your plugins, and then you want to go down to, if I can find it, WordFence. And I'm just going to simply, I'm not backing anything up. It's all going to be on your database, your SQL, your MySQL. So once you upload it again, it's going to grab the information from your database, and it's all good. So I got to find my delete. So I'll delete that. Very simple, very easy. Used to be a local cook here that used to say that all the time. I'll let that delete. When he was cooking, he said, very simple, very easy with every dish that he was creating. I just thought of that. Don't ask me why. All right, well, we're waiting for that one. Okay, so in between the edit there, all this deleted, and I don't need my FTP anymore, at least not for this particular issue, so I'm just going to close it. And we'll go to advanced. So log into your host, either your HostGator or your Bluehost or your GoDaddy or the 9 million other ones that are out there. I'm assuming most of you have cPanel, and then I haven't been in this thing either in a while either. So we just got to file a file manager. And then let me see if I can find another site that's getting that error. Not that one. Not that one. All right, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Just want to show you the path to get there if you're not sure. So you hit your file manager, and then depending on how your files are handed out, this is where mine is, under public under dash HTML. Like I said, I just got up. And then from here, you pick your website. Here's my main website, Crown Kayak. I can't even get onto that website. That's going to be another video, and I haven't been on there for a while. Right. And then go to your plugins from there. And then again, you're going to go down to WordFence, and you should be able to delete it from here. So there you go. Delete. Skip trash and permanent delete. I'm going to confirm. It's gone. Oh, see, that shouldn't even be there. That's a bad boy right there. That's a hacker crap, spam crap, or whatever you want to call it, spyware crap, or some kind of crap. Yeah, if you see things like this that don't make any freaking sense, yeah, see, I haven't been in this stupid thing in a long time. To clean it up a little bit later. So just, a little extra. You just go through and clean it up. And then you go back over to your website. You can refresh, and that should go away. But you're still not going to have your WordFence, obviously. So that's where you go into your regular. I'm sure most of you know how to do this. When you go into your regular add new plugin, and then just put in WordFence, right? There it is in its full glory. It's done. All right, just activate it. And it will activate any year now. All right, so now we got the WordFence back. Now we'll see what the issues are. They got 38 issues. An update is available for 2 plugins. See, I'm bad. I was bad. I was naughty. I didn't automatically update my plugins. Should always do that. Let's see what kind of errors we got going here. Malicious, unsafe. So if you're not aware, you can just delete all deletable files. And the system will do most of them for you that they can find. And I have the free version. I should probably pick up the full version, but eventually, probably. All right, and then we'll repair any files that are possible to repair. Close. On this one, I think I'm going to make a separate video on that one. That's going to be my next video. And these you can just go through and delete. This is all crap. You know, it doesn't make any sense. I think this is an old thing from an old WordPress install. So it's just a file that's not used through the full core of WordPress anymore. Let's see, admin with username. Never heard of them. So I'm going to delete that user, and that's probably why I got all that crap in there. And another one, delete that user. Okay. And then unknown file, and delete that file. Okay, we're all cleaned up beyond this, and this is going to be my next video. So, all right, gals and guys, I hope that helped you. I'm kind of thinking if I'm missing out on anything. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah, do your scan. I would do your scan again after you've cleaned everything up, and do your scan twice. And I would always do that anyways, right? I always do it twice. Once I clean up, and then I rescan it to make sure things are cleaned up. You know, I'm babbling as usual, and that's what I do if you watch this channel. I get a lot of criticism on the fact that I talk too much, or I make too many jokes, or I swear too much. Well, there's plenty of YouTube out there. There's like millions and billions of YouTube channels out there. Go find another one, you know? Anyways, folks, I appreciate you as always. I hope this helped you, and please subscribe if this helped you, and please like and share and all that fun. And I will catch you very soon in the next video. See ya.